I am here now and doing cooking. So here, and then I cook rice also. It's not so difficult to cook rice. Clean the rice. Yes. So here I am. At syempre, ito very simple. I cook like this, very simple. You see here the plate. You can make a very simple one. Then make a style. Make your salad. So like this. You having this one. So, and then of course I'm gonna put the rice in the side. You put a little bit salt like this. Of course. Yeah. You can have two. You can have two or you can have one. So it's up to you, what you wanna do. Yeah. When you're cooking, you can make exactly the one you like. Of course. Yeah. And now we're gonna make have our rice, of course. So I can show you how did I do. It's very simple one. You see, the beef in rice and salad, tomato only, or one like this rice and one piece of meat and then salad. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. I hope you like it. So please subscribe, click and say something on my video YouTube. I have no makeup. I am natural look at. So look the dress. This one is a shirt. It look like dirty, but this is how it's look. I don't know why, but this is the style. So thank you for watching and see you and have a nice day. Today is 22 of October 2019 and have a nice food with you guys. Love you and bye-bye.